Hey guys, welcome back to another mukbang. Today, I'm gonna be eating some McDicks. Yeah, I had to move the camera all the way down, or else it would like just make everything super like what's it called? Super overexposed, and yeah, I don't want to just like be going anywhere. Like I don't want to like everything to be super glowy and stuff. So yeah, I'll show you guys what I have today. Got some fries. I ate some on the way home because the bus like didn't come, so yeah. And then we got double cheeseburger, or I think it's just a cheeseburger. Ooh, I wanted to get a burger, but I didn't want to spend that much money, so I got this. And also got the chicken nuggets. Oh fuck. I'm not a huge fan of chicken nuggets, but I don't know, I haven't really eaten them that much, and someone suggested them to me, so I'm gonna try them. Also, I have this Coke that I drank on the way home because yeah, it literally took like 40 minutes to get home and my phone was dead. So hopefully my phone doesn't die while this recording is happening. So I guess we'll just dig right in. I also got some barbecue and some sweet and sour sauce. So yeah, I'm gonna try this first. I'm gonna eat the nuggets first because yeah, these nuggets are expensive. Like this is 10, right? 10, that's like $6 or something. And then like I added the meal and it was like $10. I'm like, what the fuck? Anyways, well, I'll try like to swear less in my videos because I've been watching some and like they're so cringy because I just swear all the time. But we're gonna go for the first nugget dip. Not bad actually, not bad. Real close up on that. Not a bad sauce. I still think I prefer barbecue. Let's try the barbecue. McDonald's barbecue sauce. Oh shit. Oh. They didn't give me any napkins, I don't think. Anyways. The barbecue. I don't want to pour this out again like I do every time when I try to show you stuff. But, yeah. It's super exposed still. I'm gonna put the nuggets into my burger wrapper. Is this still super exposed? Okay, no. Okay, so yeah. Sorry for like my such garbage quality mukbangs. Why is it like this? I don't understand. Okay. Sorry for such garbage quality. Yeah. I don't have like lighting or whatever. Dude, you can't even see me. Jesus. What's that? Is this better? Kind of. Sorry for such garbage quality mukbangs. Yeah, I literally just have my phone and then I just like build a little tripod and that's how I film. So yeah. Okay, so my camera kind of screwed up for a bit. I think it's better now, right? Yeah, it's better now. So, yeah. Keep going with the barbecue. I'm literally doing the Asian squat while I'm eating this. My legs are gonna be so huge. I'm done with this. A workout. Go with 2 sauces. It's actually good. I'm gonna try chicken nugget without the sauce. Oh no. Without the sauce, they're kind of meh. Then give me ketchup. These fries are kind of cold now, so... Oh. McDonald's has always been like... I don't know, like a really... Like if I wanted a meal, and I wanted it quick, and I wanted it like pretty good, I'd go to McDonald's. It's actually not my typical order. The typical order is like 2 value burger, like value menu burgers, like like junior chicken and McDouble, and then I usually get like a fries and a drink maybe, because I'm poor. Honestly though, like 2, even like you can get like 3 value burgers for like 1 like McChicken, and it tastes better than McChicken. Like junior chicken is actually good. Like if you guys never tried it, go try it. Not sponsored, by the way, not sponsored. Nothing in there. But I'm just gonna take a bite of this burger now. Backwards. I'll open it up. I don't really like to look at the inside of McDonald's burgers because it's just depressing. Reminds me about how poor I am, but I love cheeseburger. I usually get McDouble though, because cheeseburger is literally just cheese and a burger. McDouble has like 2 burgers, so I feel like, yo, that's like 2 burgers for like $2. Anyways. Barbecue sauce, let's do it. Not bad actually. Sweet and sour sauce, let's do it. No. Barbecue sauce is good. Might as well finish this. Oh, I want to invest in some supplies, so I kind of want to use my phone for now. It's like a DSLR. That's a bit expensive for me. Like I have a job, so I can eventually afford it, but I don't know if I want to be dropping all that money on a camera just yet. But like I want to get like a tripod or like something for my phone. So if you guys like have any things that like maybe drop an Amazon link or something, like maybe some tripod for your phone. I bought like a selfie stick thing, but it's really bad, and it like, yeah, I got scammed. It was like 12 bucks, and then like I used it like 1 time and it was like not even good. Maybe. And I don't vlog or anything. I just need like a tripod for a phone. I don't know if those exist or not, though. Okay, I'll try this again. Maybe it'll be better this time. No. No. Oh. Don't do that. Oh. We're slowly catching up to 1,000 subs. So once I hit 1,000, I'll do a dance cover. I'm practicing right now, but I'm still like far from like doing well. It's NCT Baby Don't Stop. So yeah. You know, as always, if you have any ideas or stuff for like okay, the end of that burger was really dry. It tastes like sandpaper. Oh god. This McDonald's is like not that great. It's the only one next like close to me. So yeah, I have to. Oh, as I was saying, if you guys have any suggestions or ideas for mukbangs, always leave them in the comments. You know, I actually read every single comment. Like I started to like I don't reply to every single comment, but I read it all. And sometimes I don't reply is because I forget to, and I'm sorry. But yeah. Also, oh yeah, sorry about that. My camera died again. My phone died. And I'm just gonna like finish eating. I've been trying to eat this for like 40 minutes now. And I think it keeps on like glitching out, so. And that sweet and sour sauce, okay. I still prefer barbecue, but Alright, so these are the last fries. If you enjoyed this mukbang, please subscribe and like this video, comment, share with people. I don't know. Also, yeah, my social media is in the description, so go follow me. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. If you got to the end, thank you. See you guys next time. Bye.